In this little video, we're going to see how to divide whole numbers and use prime factorizations to help us with that. So, 54 lollies are shared by 18 children. How many does each child get? First of all, we need to change the problem into numbers. So 54 lollies are shared by 18 children. That then becomes a division. But what you need to notice is that we don't want to write the division sum like that. We want to write it as an equivalent thing, which is saying that it is 54 over 18, which is the same. If you notice, the division sign here is literally a line, so it's just like this line, dot with something on the top, and then dot with something underneath. So whenever we're writing division, we need to rewrite it in this form. Then we're going to use prime factorization to work out the prime factors of 54 and 18. So we have 54. Oops, daisy. 54 is going to be 6 times 9 is 54. So 6 is 2 times 3, they're both prime, and 9 is 3 times 3. So 54 we can now write as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 over 18, written as its prime factors. 18 is 2 times 9, 2 is prime, 9 is 3 times 3. So 18 can be written as 2 times 3 times 3. What we can do now, though, is we can separate this problem because everything is multiplied together. And so we can separate it out. So we could say, for example, write it as 2 over 2 times 3 over 3 times 3 over 3 times 3 over. Now, we haven't actually got anything underneath there, so if there's nothing underneath, it should just be a 1. So now we can recognise and see that actually 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is also 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and so we're now simplifying the problem as 1 times 1 times 1 times 3 over 1, which is just 3. 1 times 1 times 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So how many does each child get? They get 3 lollies each.